Title: Buzzkill in Lubbock, first fatal case of West Nile virus in 2023. TLDR, buzz off. It's mosquito season, folks, and Lubbock, Texas just marked its first fatality from the West Nile virus this year. The victim was infected back in June, around the same time the health department found traces of the virus in local mosquito pools. The Lone Star State confirmed 42 human cases and 7 fatalities in 2022, but health officials hint the numbers could be higher. So, should you be locking your doors and barricading the windows yet? Despite the irritating buzz in our ears, mosquitoes are not just annoying bloodsuckers. The West Nile virus has made its 2023 debut in Lubbock, Texas, with its first fatality. Lubbock Health Department confirmed the victim was infected in June, roughly around the time when the first traces of the virus were found in local mosquito habitats. What a coincidence, right? In 2022, Texas reported 42 human cases and 7 deaths due to West Nile. But the health department thinks these numbers might just be the tip of the iceberg, given that West Nile is often asymptomatic. Over the course of 5 years, there were a total of 485 cases and 65 deaths reported in the state. But hey, who's counting? The virus is transmitted through the bite of a house mosquito, or as the science geeks call it, a Culex pipiens. These mini-vampires contract the virus from infected birds before turning their sights on us unsuspecting humans. What a lovely thought as we're enjoying our summer barbecues, eh? West Nile symptoms range from fever, nausea, headache, and muscle aches, which can last from a few days to a few weeks. As if Mondays weren't hard enough already. Now, don't panic, but 4 out of 5 infected peeps won't show symptoms. That means you could be hosting a West Nile party without even knowing it. More seriously though, rare severe cases can lead to nasty stuff like meningitis, encephalitis, or even death. Folks over the age of 50 and those with weakened immune systems are at a higher risk. So, you may want to add mosquito nets to your grandparents' gift list this year. The Lubbock Health Department recommends a few simple measures to keep these pesky critters at bay. Cover up with long-sleeved shirts and pants, use an EPA-registered insect repellent, keep mosquitoes out of living areas, limit outdoor activities during peak mosquito times, and dump any standing water around your home. But remember, they're not bossing you around, they're just friendly suggestions. So, we've seen the stats, we know the risk factors, and we've been told the preventative measures. Now, it's your turn to answer a question. Are you ready to go full mosquito-phobic this summer, or will you brave the outdoors with your can of insect repellent in one hand and your freedom in the other? Let's discuss it, shall we? Disclaimer: this article is intended for informational purposes only. It is not meant to provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. For all health concerns, please consult with a healthcare provider.